The target audience identify. In this, we can identify who is your target audience, who is purchasing your product or getting a service from the company. Online marketing, also known as digital marketing or internet marketing, because with the help of internet only we are trying to get a more benefit. We are offering a product, even consumers are getting benefit. Cost effectiveness. So compared to other channel of marketing promotional activity, the cost is very less only because we have selected online platform. Hello everyone, a warm welcome to one and all. I am Natesh, lecturer in commerce, Vidhyaashram First Grade College, MYSURU, the Temple of Excellence. We are in the Unit 5, Session 1, Principles of Marketing BCom. The chapter name is the Recent Development in the Marketing. Today, my agenda, you are getting more clarity about the meaning of social marketing, what exactly, and the features of social marketing and the meaning of online marketing, which is, we call it as web marketing or electronic marketing, and the features of online marketing and the meaning of direct marketing, features of direct marketing and meaning of service marketing, features of service marketing and the importance of green marketing. Okay, moving forward one by one. The first one, the social marketing. Social marketing, which is directly connected to the society, so which is also one kind of a recent developer. Okay, so the social marketing, which is a recent developer. The social marketing refers to the application. Application means what exactly we are using. Okay, so marketing principles and technique, whatever the principles set to the marketing activity, so which is going for a different approaching using a technique to promote the socially beneficial behavior. So which is society are getting a benefit based on the behavior and all. Now, unlike traditional marketing, we are just focusing only for the aggressive sales. Okay, but here the social approach, we are giving priority when we are offering a product to the society. The social consumers are getting a lot of benefit, which often aim to sell product or service. Okay, either which is a physical product or intangible product like service. Okay, the social marketing focus on influencing individual and community to adapt to behavior that enhance their well-being and up to society as a well. So not only for the individual consumers and the community we are approaching based on the social marketing. Okay, so well-being. So the ultimate goal is to bring about the positive social change. Whatever the changes is going to happen here, so we are considering only for the positive. Now moving to the what are the features of social marketing. So the first one, whatever you have studied in the previous slide, so here which is a behavior change focus. So completely consumer to consumer, individual to individual, their behavior are completely changed. So as a marketer, they want to study the behavior. Okay, so there is one specific concept like consumer behavior. So here now the target audience identify. In this, we can identify who is your target audience, who is purchasing your product or getting a service from the company. So the target audience based on the geography or demography or socio-culture factor. So different factors we are considering. Now insightful research, we are getting more clarity what exactly is going inside. We are depth we are going to study. So the research which is getting information from the social. Next one, exchange theory, because whatever the information we are collecting or gathering, so something we are approaching like a theory based, so exchange process are going here. Now the communication strategy, how we are developing a best communication strategy to reach the individual. So there are different channels are available or medium is available to approach the consumer. So and the long-term response, we are just focusing for the long-term purpose. So obviously we need to study the long-term while you are giving importance for the society, definitely, which is a long commitment. Now next one, the evaluation and feedback. So the timely whatever the gathering information based on the behavior, so social we are approaching the evaluations process and feedback timely we are getting so that we can take the best decisions. Next one, ethical considerations. Here there are major do or do not category. The do are, so any businessman while they are doing activity or business they are do between the consumer, so they want to follow the ethical. Okay, so the ethical consideration we need to keep in our mind. Next one, the public and private sector collaboration. Here there is a lot of opportunity getting private and public company or business or operating or collaborating in between to meet the demand for the society. So next one, moving to the meaning Meaning of online marketing, no doubt, because which is coming under the latest recent development of marketing strategy. So online platform, we can reach for many places, many geographical area we can cover. So the globally we can reach here. The online marketing, we can call it as electronic marketing or web marketing or digital marketing. So online marketing also known as a digital marketing or internet marketing, because with the help of internet only we are trying to get a more benefit. We are offering a product, even consumers are getting benefit. So refers to use the internet and digital channels. So which is completely based on the internet. The transactions will be very smooth. To promote and advertise product or service with the online platform, it emphasizes a wide range of activity, not only for the sale or marketing or promotion or distribution or placing order. So marketing means there are too many activities are going, collection of data, research are going, marketing research, everything aim at the reaching and engaging the target audience. Finally, our focus is to make them to engage for target audience, to those who are really purchasing, okay, the product or getting a service. So through the various online platforms, either social media, you can take a website, okay. So there are different types of channels are available in the online. Next, what are the features of the online marketing? So here the first one, digital channel. We are approaching now business B2C, business to customers. We are approaching customers to business or business to government. So everything which is depending on the digital platform, digital channels. So we are placing order, we are dispatching order through the online. Now target audience. We have identified the target audience. We are directly focusing for the target audience to meet the demand. Okay. Next one, measurable metrics. Whenever we are selecting an online platform, we are trying to set metrics or result. Easily we can measure here because of the data. Google analytical tools are available. Now interactivity in between the buyers and sell, business to customers, interactive communications, which is a two-way communications channels, okay. And the global reach, we cannot restrict for the geographical area. We can access, we can spread the message, we can promote the product global wise. Even the consumers are getting a lot of benefits here. Next one, cost effectiveness. So compared to other channel of marketing promotional activity, the cost is very less only, because we have selected online platform. Next one, the real-time adjustment. We are trying to adjust the demand or supply or fluctuation of the price, everything easily we can adjust because the real-time data we are accessing here. Now moving to the meaning of direct marketing, the word only which is suggesting direct, because as a businessman, when they are trying to sell the product for the needy people or needy customers directly without taking any intermediary. In case of industrial product, there is no mediator is not required. Heavy product, directly the producers are selling goods to the industry requirement. So the direct marketing refers to promotional method, which is also one kind of method. So in which business communicate directly with the target audience, like target customers, okay, to promote the product or service. So in case of industrial product, if you take a component, a heavy machinery or spare parts, directly the producer are producing based on the customer's requirements. So directly they are dispatching. This form of marketing aim to establish a one-on-one connection between the marketer and the consumer. So majorly we are not connecting any intermediator. We are not taking any support from the intermediator. Directly the companies are selling. And bypassing the intermediators such as a retailer. We don't want any connections between the intermediators here. Moving for the features of direct marketing, the first one, when you are doing a direct marketing, the targeted communication, we are focusing only for the direct customers. So targeted communications in between the producers and industrial customers. So here there is actually the communication process always depending on the two-way communication. As per the requirement, the business producers are start producing or offering a product. Now, which is completely focusing for the person, which is completely personalized. Now next one, measurable result. Easily we can get the data because we are contact between the customers as well as producer. So measurable result quantitatively we can maintain here. Now the multiple channel. There are different types of multiple channel through can approach for the direct customer. So next one, immediate response. Oh, whenever we are sending directly contacting for the customers, the response also instant response we are getting from the buyers and seller or producer to customer. Now the database management, whatever the data we are collecting, either which is order related or supply related or quantity related or machinery related, so the database completely managed here. Now the cost effective, because of just avoiding for the intermediator, the cost of the product can be slightly reduced because we are not giving any margin for the any intermediator, because the company are directly selling using personal selling. Okay. Next one, the relationship building. So easily we can build a strong relationship between the customers and the company, because the direct communication, which is very, very important for any business here. Next one, the meaning of service marketing. What exactly is the service marketing, which is an intangible, the service we cannot see, we cannot feel, we cannot touch, we cannot carry. If you want to get any particular service, the participation is very important, involvement is important, we cannot separate. Okay, so the service marketing refers to the activity and the strategy of business employed to promote and sales and deliver intangible product to the consumer, which is also majority of the contribution for the total GDP. Service industry, service sectors are contributing more. Okay, so it involves the marketing of service which non-physical, okay, and intangible, offering that satisfy the needs and want, because there are plenty of services are available, like health related service or transportation related or banking service. Okay, there are too many services are offering. So such as healthcare, education, hospitality, consulting, okay, airline service, water transfer service, okay, the cleaning service. There are too many services are available. Okay, so moving to the features, one is intangible, we cannot feel. In case of physical product, we can touch, we can carry, we can feel something, but in service we cannot see. It is an intangible only, always, which is intangible. So sometimes the physical product can be active because of service connection. Now the television is a physical product. Now you are taking a cable connections or dish connections, which is a service. So you need to depend. Something physical product can be active because of service. Now inseparable, service we cannot separate. We cannot separate. Why it is not separating? The reason it is very simple to. So whenever you are getting a support, usage or consumption, or getting service from the or experience or satisfaction, so we cannot separate them. Now the providers and participations are very important. Service provider and service receivers involvement are equally important. So that's what we cannot separate. Now next, variability. So each and every time whenever you are getting a service, something variations we are finding. So that's what variability. So now if you try to go for the 3-star restaurant or 4-star restaurant, a 5-star restaurant, the service it's completely varied. Next, perishability. Perishability means the life of the service. When you want to expect service from the service provider, your participation, your involvement, so definitely is very important. So which is a perishability. Now heterogeneity. Each and every service what you are getting from the market, so unique. Okay, which is heterogeneity. Every time you are getting something different. So which is a heterogeneity. So which is not a similar. Now customer involvement. So any customers want to get any particular service, involvement part is very important. If you want to get food from the restaurant, you have to go, or you can place the order with the help of Zomato or Swiggy. So same thing, if you want to travel for any other metropolitan city or any city, you need to go for travel. So that is actually your involvement is there in the getting a service. Now the importance of green marketing. So very important, the green marketing, no doubt, which is a eco-friendly marketing. When you are approaching a product, when you are offering a product for the society or consumer, so better go for the green marketing, eco-friendly product or eco-friendly materials, eco-friendly approach. Okay, we are not damaging, we don't have any rights to go for damaging the environment. So that's what. So environmental conversion. So whenever you are approaching a green marketing, environmental conservations we can find. But consumer awareness and education, we need to educate people. Okay, so just for avoiding, so you know the best examples, so the plastic is completely replaced with the help of paper bag or jute bag. So because the plastic which is not going for the renewable resource. So now the next one, the meeting customer expectation. So here the customer expectation, everybody are approaching a product or purchasing a product using a green marketing approach. Okay, so even they are also educated. Now market differentiation, we can differently approach your market using a green marketing approach, because we are always bothering about the eco-friendly. Now The regulatory compliance and the risk mitigation. So here, for any businessman, they don't have any rights to damage the society or damage the environment. So they want to go for following the regulatory authority, which is related to, for example, pharmaceutical industry. Okay, so the best example, the cost saving and efficiency. So instead of going for the hazardous product, whatever you are finding, so better we can get the green product, green cosmetic, okay, green herb. So definitely we can save our cost. Now the corporate social responsibility, which is very, very important, which is a Company Act 2013, corporate, they want to take the responsibility for society. So that's what they want to contribute for the society. Now, enhance brand image and reputation. So when you are doing a green marketing, of course, your brand image or reputations can be increased so that you can survive for the long period. You can able to compete with your competitors. Keep on watch for next session. Thank you.